Guess who? You miss me?
Wait! Yeah, the rain's up out here. On my one. The rain like this. What just felt your name? Stop. Yeah, the rain's up out here.
Alright, what's going on, dude? This ain't the new build, bro. What? I don't know, man. You don't think that cars get jealous or something, dude? I feel like the hatch is gonna be jealous. Oh, I see how it is. You over there trying to fuck around with them real wheel drive bitches. Alright, no fucking around. Let's look at the car.
Can't get enough of this gangster shit.
Wait! Before I wreck this beat, let me just check to see if Stephanie Mills left any extra refills or ecstasy pills next to me.
Hold up.
So yes, it's an E36, man. A lot of you guys are guessing, and a lot of you guys weren't guessing because my dumb ass actually showed this car a few times in the background whenever I was recording at the old house. Just not everybody caught on, but a few of you did. So the car currently is ugly as hell, and to be honest with you, I don't like green. So the interior is disgusting. It wasn't in great shape when I got it. The seats are all stained up and ripped.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you. I like to.
Give me the key. Give me the key. Alright, so here's the deal on the car, dude. I got this car for really cheap. Now the deal with this car, man, is I got it for super cheap. They had it up for $900 on Craigslist. I went down, I checked it out, and because of the fact it's so ugly, in which worked out in my favor, we got this car for $600, bro. 600 bucks, which is a steal. I'm sure you guys can guess it, right? Basic ass YouTuber shit because everybody's doing it. May as well jump on the bandwagon. Plan for me is a budget drift car. We're gonna try to turn this into a drift capable vehicle at, you know, as low of a budget as we possibly can. But at the same time, it's got a lot of body damage and stuff that I want to kind of fix up, but it's not going to be perfect, dude. This car is not going to be nothing to the caliber that the hatch is at. We're not going to be doing a full tear down on this car and all that kind of stuff. I don't care if the paint comes out perfect. I mean, I'm going to do a good job on it, but I'm not going to take out every single little ding and whatnot. So the basic rundown for this car is obviously we're gonna make it look a lot nicer, man. So, and to do drift mods, dude, we gotta get angle, coilovers, definitely some wheels. The thing's gonna need a paint job, hydro, e-brake. The list goes on, man. And which is all very simple shit. And we most certainly, because this is a sedan, this thing's gotta go on a diet, bro. We gotta do some weight reduction. Yes, of course, the engine, man. Now, that's one of the problems I think that we're gonna run into the most is the fact that this car is underpowered. It's a 1.8 liter. This is the 4-cylinder, it's not the 6-cylinder, so it is gonna be quite underpowered, but I mean, there's people out there drifting with KAs, you know what I'm saying? So, I think that we'll do okay. I just might have to flick it a little harder. Just a little flake. We need a fender, we need a side skirt, we need a fender on this side, and we need a window. One thing that we most certainly need right freaking now, like right now.
That's the only thing I can find. I think I threw all my buckets away when I moved.
This thing is really dirty though, so I think I need a very strong soap. Well, I mean, she cleans up pretty well. Yeah, no, it doesn't. It still very much so looks like shit. But that's all right, dude. We're gonna fix that, man. This thing's gonna, you guys already know, man. This thing's gonna look sick. Pressure washer blew my badge off. I never had that happen with the Honda emblem. I'm just kidding. I'm just playing. But I got the first mod. Bam! Race car. Alright guys, well I'm gonna hop into this thing and get the Civic obviously back into the garage, and I'm gonna drive it to a car wash to go and vacuum the interior and try to get it cleaned up a little bit. I'll most certainly save you guys the boredom of that. Let me know what you guys think of the new car. I mean, I know it's really rough, but that's the reason why I got it for so cheap, dude. It is because of how ugly it is. And you guys already know, bro. You already know that, I mean, I know how to paint and stuff, so that's not gonna be a big deal. That is actually the most exciting part about it for me, you know what I'm saying? So make sure to smash the like button if you guys are excited about the new car. I know I most certainly am, because this is gonna give us something to do, you know what I'm saying? So we build up some stuff for the Civic. Peace!